Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video, I'm writing the code for the use effects, and now I'm going to show you the dependencies in this use effect hooks, and it is going to be very interesting and helpful in writing the code for use effects. So now you can see here in the last video I told you about this. This is the first time. This is for the one time when page gets reloads. It's actually going to hit one time. But we can also write pass multiple use states here or conditions here. So when that changes in the use states, this use effect can automatically hit. So how? I'm going to show you. So if I make changes in the name, if we get any changes in the name here, I'm going to write something like if name dot length is greater than 4, in that case I can say set login to true, right? Else set login to true. By default, I'm going to say for true. What that mean? So when I'm going to make some changes and I'm going to write something on the name field like this, it is going to hit this use effect always because these use state get updated and it is going to hit this use effect. So when this use effect get hit, it actually going checking the condition and passing this true and false. So for showing the login button, you can see on the login button disable. If it's true, it is going to disable this button. If it is false, it is going to enable this button. So if it is greater than 0, it is going to false and now we can click the button. But if the value is less than 4, then it is going to disable this button. So that is true. So if I write one more thing, you can see this is enabled. Like I'm sorry, like I'd say 3 characters, 4 and then 5, it is going to enable this button. So this is how the use state dependencies are working. This is the one condition of the dependencies. We can pass some other also, like I can say email. If anything changes in e-name use state or email use state, this use effect is going to hit. So this is going to be very helpful if you're going working on a big projects, big use states examples. If any object in the collection get changes or anything changes in the collection or any calculation, major calculations, you can actually recall the functionalities here or functions here or anything like you need to recall the API to reset the values. So this is going to be very helpful in that conditions. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you understand this use effect and their dependencies. In the next lecture, I'm going to cover more topics on this React tutorials.